Welcome back at it, fam. We back at it with another video. Here in my kitchen. Take 2, part 2. Kitchen cleaning again. I don't know how this kitchen gets so filthy. I gotta clean so I can cook shrimp. If you guys can see shrimp, I'm gonna cook some rice too, so we could stay in shape. That's the only way. So when you cook your own meals, you watch what you eat, you scale your own food with the scale, you weigh your own food, you count your macronutrients. Trust me, your health will become better, stronger. You're gonna start thinking better. You're gonna become better. You're gonna start acting better. You're gonna take action and good steps in life, and it's gonna benefit you. Not only that, you start going to the gym, even better. But let's go. Let's start cleaning this so we can get going. Yeah, I gotta start figuring this stuff out. Alright, let's go. Bottles. You know, I was thinking about these bottles today when I was at work. I'm like, maybe I should start collecting these bottles, because these bottles weigh three of these. 3 of these equals 1 bottle of this. I actually weighed them last night, and I'm like, maybe I should start collecting them. But I don't know. It's I could collect them, but to take them, empty them, recycle, collect, save them so I can get money for them. That's what I'm trying to get at. But it's time consuming. Then you gotta load up your car. Then sometimes bags rip. I don't know. You know what I'll probably do? I'm gonna save them and give them to my neighbor. He's always asking me for bottles if I have any. Because I told him, you know what, I just toss them away. But I mix them with the trash, so it's just like, yeah, it's just trash in here. But again, the bottles are in there. Anyways, so I figured that out already. I'm going to collect them just on this bag, because, yeah, these are heavier, so you will actually get money for, put it right here. And I got a sweet too. Because this kitchen needs to be cleaned. So once you clean, you feel cleaner too. I feel dirty right now, because why? Because my house is messy and dirty. You know, you guys see, I live on my own. Those that don't know, I do have a 12-year-old daughter. She's not with me tonight, but she's with me every other 2 days. And man, this girl's lazy. I don't know if it's the age that she's going through right now, but yeah, she doesn't help me out. I tell her help me out. Man, it is just so much trouble with her. But what can you do? You know, you gotta put the good example. Oh no, I threw trash in here. This is not trash, this is for recycling. Alright. I don't even know where to start. I don't even know what to do. Goes there. I gotta wash this. I gotta wash this. This is my wallet. Man, you see, fam, now that we're here cleaning the kitchen, I'm gonna give you a little bit of my background, my story, who I am. See, so you guys know, I live here. I live in California. Right now I'm located in Santa Clarita. And this is where I'm at. To where I was before, by making bad decisions in life, bad choices in life, surrounding myself with people that don't have dreams, that don't have goals. All they do is just work for the weekend so they can numb their life, party, go out, drugs. It's just parties. That's what this world is stuck in. All they do is just work for the weekend. So Saturday comes along, just to go out and numb your life. You gotta do drugs. You gotta smoke. You gotta drink alcohol. You gotta have sex. All of that is just all these vices. They're not good. They're just gonna keep you stuck. You're gonna keep going through that cycle for years. I'm guilty of it. I went through that cycle. And I was going through that cycle when I was with my daughter's mom. We were going through that cycle. Just work, party, work, trips, whatever. But you see, this is what I started to realize. When you go party and you go out, why do you have to drink? Why do you have to numb your life? You see, you're doing that because you obviously don't like your life. So you have to drink to forget about everything and just numb your life. It's just like, that's why I see things, and not only that. When you keep doing that, there's so many problems that you build with your significant other. Fights, arguments. Why? Because you're taking the wrong decisions in life. You're doing what Satan, the devil, wants you to do. To keep numbing your life, keep drinking, keep partying, go out. Drugs, alcohol, bad thoughts, hooking up. You see another person, you feel lust with that person. You're already buzzing it. You already feel intoxicated. It's just so much stuff runs through your head that you start making bad choices and like bad thinking, bad decisions. And then you expect your life to go well. That's what, when my relationship split, that's when I realized, I'm like, if I keep doing this, because I kept partying, I kept drinking, I kept smoking, I kept doing drugs. When when we split up from my daughter's mom, I had to keep doing drugs so I wouldn't feel this pain. But in reality, it just gets you worse. It just gets you worse. Because of that, I'm in debt. Well, thank God I'm so close on getting out of debt. Why? Because I changed that mindset. I don't party no more. I don't drink. I don't go out. I don't hook up. I don't smoke. I don't do none of that stuff that I was doing before. Because I came to a realization, if I keep doing that, the next person, the next woman I find and get with and grow together and build a family, and I keep doing what I was doing before, drugs, alcohol, I'm gonna attract whatever environment I am on, whatever I do daily, that's what I'm gonna attract. See, I came to a realization. I was like, if I keep doing that, I'm gonna go to another woman, find someone. Yes, it may be happiness for the first year or so, but through a time, it's gonna go worse. Why? Because she has bad habits, I have bad habits. So I told myself, I'm not gonna be happy. I'm gonna go through the same situation I went with my daughter's mom. So I said, you know what? I gotta change. I gotta be strong. I gotta focus on myself, and I gotta build myself up. I gotta love myself, and and become someone better in life. Not just thinking about partying, drugs, alcohol, sex, all that stuff. No, that's what everybody's stuck in life. And then they go complaining, how come I don't have money? Why am I in debt? Oh, he got so lucky. No, it's just you gotta shift your mindset. You gotta shift the way you think. When you shift the way you think and you focus on good things in life, see, like I'm telling you, I'll never do this. I would never cook. I would never think of working out, eating healthy, honoring God. See, before I was doing the wrong thing, so I said, you know what? I want to change. I want to become someone better. Hey, and I leave it up in God's hands. And God is my witness. I've been faithful to God. I've been true to myself. I don't lie. I don't go out. Like I said, I don't party. None of that stuff, because it's just nothing good. So what I'm doing, focusing on myself. I'm becoming the best version of myself. You see, if I focus on this within time, hey, I'm not looking for a woman. Don't get me wrong, but once I'm financially stable, once I'm good, I keep bettering myself, then hey, the right time is gonna come. There's no rush. Don't rush things. Just go the path, but go the path that's gonna be beneficial for your life. Because when you do good, your life is gonna get better. When you do bad, your life is gonna get worse. So it's all in the mindset. So point being here is, if you want a successful, happy family with your significant other, let go of all the vices. Let go of that. And focus on what's beneficial and what God wants you to do. See, God doesn't want you to go out and go clubbing, go drink, get drunk, hook up, party, smoke, drugs, lust. No, He doesn't want that. He wants you to do good, but it's difficult. Don't get me wrong, it's difficult because I've been through that. I failed so many times in life. I failed, got back up. I said, okay, that's it. I'm going to drop everything. Stop for a month. I fell back down. I got into vices. I said, you know what? Okay, that's it. That's it, because I felt empty. I kept doing it and doing it. I felt depressed. I felt lonely. I felt empty. But see, when you do good, you don't feel none of that. Why? Because you have God by your side. You're honoring Almighty King God that's gonna uplift you. He will give you what you need. And to this point, I feel blessed. God is gonna lead you in the right path. And so focus on the good. Let go of the worst. Let go of bad. And watch your life will change with your significant other. You guys wake up early, go work out, eat healthy, read something successful, meditate, and just keep doing that process. Do good, honor God, call on God, go to church, go to the Kingdom Hall, preach the word. That's gonna be good. So now you're shifting your mindset to something positive. So that's key, fam. I know we're cleaning my kitchen, but I just got into this conversation because I had to let it out. I had to put it out there for you. So that's it. Let's not give up. Stay focused. Keep doing good. Keep doing what's going to be beneficial for your life. Put a good example. Why is that? Because your family is looking up to your children, your little kids. They will do everything you do. When they grow up, they were like, my dad did this. My mom did this. I want to do it too. So you lead your family. And key here is for all the men, for the males. You're supposed to put the example out there for your family. You're supposed to be the head of the household by setting standards that are meaningful, that are positive, that are good. You see, Vice versa. If you're a woman, likes to drink, likes to party, likes to go out for the weekends, and that's all she likes to do, then my opinion, and you have to let her go. If you have higher standards and she doesn't want to change, you gotta let her go, and you focus. You focus on yourself. You develop. You grow. You become someone better in life. Vice versa. If you're a woman and you're a boy, your man, all she likes to do is just getting on drugs, alcohol, party. Like, what is that? Is that something positive? Is that gonna better your life? You have to let him go if that's all he wants. He's gotta be the head of the household. He's gotta put the example. We're gonna do this. This is what's gonna be good, and you gonna understand. Is he saying something that's beneficial, that's gonna be good for the family, or is he saying something it's worthless, that he's following what this world provides? Nah. All of these males, they're lost. They're walking blindfolded. They don't know. So what do? They gotta numb their life. They gotta drink. They gotta do drugs. So they're just lost. They have a no purpose in life. They're lost souls. They have a soul that's lost. It's just, and it's difficult, but I tell the truth. I tell the truth. If you don't like what I say, then hey, I'm saying something that's gonna be beneficial for you. If you like to do what you do, then you keep doing that. But me, this is what I do, and I'm gonna keep encouraging others to become someone better, because that is the only way that you will live a meaningful life, a purposeful life, a happy, joyful, faithful, lovable life. That everything's gonna go how it's supposed to. Why? Because you keep doing good. You keep doing good. You let go of the past. You let go of the vices. You let go of the bad habits. You focus. You keep going. Don't let nothing stop you. Just keep going. Have a goal and go after it. Just have that goal. Have that dream. And keep doing good with that dream. You keep going forward with that goal. But you keep going forward in good steps. You'll be surprised how your life will change. Everything will fall how it's supposed to go. Just keep going. I tell you that from where I was to where I'm at now, it's all because of God. All because I was following His steps. And I still do. I follow His steps. And this is not a one-year thing. This is not going to happen overnight. See yourself doing this for the rest of your life. Start 2 to 5 years from now. See where your life will be at. And it's going to be a lifetime change. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's not give up. Let's stay focused. And let's get it. And I'm going to continue cleaning up this house because I got to get cooking. So, let's go. Yeah, this house is a mess. You guys follow me on my Instagram. The link is down below on my on this video. It's a link down below. Follow me and you see my daily process, what I do. I hit the gym, I work out, I meditate, I do good. And hey, if you ever need someone in life that will coach you, if you're trying to lose weight, if you're trying to become a better person, if you're trying to let go of vices, bad habits, and you want to become your best version, send me a message. I'm here to help. I'll be a one-on-one coach with you. I'll coach you what steps you need to take. I'll give you the blueprint, what you need. I'll send you a workout routine you have to do. I'll send you your macronutrients you have to consume daily, calories. That's if you want to become someone better. That's if you want to start going after your goals, your dreams, become someone better. I'm here. That's what I do. I help. Just how God is helping me out, I'm going to go help out the rest too. People that are in need. So, hope this video helped a lot of people out. We're in the kitchen part 2. Let's go and get it. Let's not stop. Let's keep going forward.